So we're going to a place called Chulup to check out a 720 kilo solid silver dragon. So this is it, it's called the UC Silver, and in here is where the 720 kilo solid dragon is. We're going to check it out. Check out the entrance on this place, will you? It's absolutely a massive building. It's got a huge car park. And we'll head on inside and we'll check out this silver dragon. Okay, so they give you a little sticker, little tags for entry to go into the place from the security. And apparently we can film in the gallery, but not in where they sell the silver. So we'll go in and check it out. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
It's our security man.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Widi.
Widi?
Yes.
You Balinese? So you're Wayan, Yemen, which one?
Number one.
Wayan, alright. Well, hello Wayan. Wow, look at the size of it in here. It's massive, isn't it? Check out how high the roof is. Alright, so then it says the Nagasang's 9 dragons made of 720 kilos of sterling silver. Wow. Everything in here is silver. So first up, we'll check out some of these crystals. This is this big solid piece of quartz. It's huge. Quartz crystal. See all the blue colour on it. Check it out. The bronze statues. Everything else in here is solid silver. Agate from India. Check it out. You can tell the size of it. It's from Brazil. All these Balinese statue heads are all solid silver. That's all amethyst. Wow, check out the size of this crystal. My God. What is it? It's clear quartz crystal. This is ammonite from Canada, and look at the fossils in it, the seashells in it. This is a piece of rock with some giant fossils in it. Right, so this is 2.5 guilder coins, Dutch coins, solid silver. Rubelet tourmaline. There's a lot of stones in that I've never even heard of in here. Labradorite from Canada. Well, there's a lot of stones from all over the world here. This is polished smoky from Brazil. Just check out the size of this building. It's like a giant boat or something upside down. It's absolutely massive, the roof on it. Labradorite stone or in a solid silver ring, and look at the size of the ring. Fit on your whole hand. It's absolutely huge, this ring. Look at that for a giant pendant. It's all solid silver. And here's a crown, like a king's crown, all solid silver. And here's a sword. Check out this sword. It's all solid silver. These are made from copper. And it's absolutely huge. It's got to be about 25 metres long. It's all on brass statues of men holding it up on the bamboo. Wow, it's huge. It'd have to be at least 25 metres long, I suppose. Well, there's actually more than one dragon. There's a bunch of all smaller dragons all interlocked. And these are obviously bronze or brass. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like there's a big one at the front. Wow, how awesome is that? So it says here it's actually 9 dragons made of 720 kilos of sterling silver. Okay, so just hanging out here with me mate. And anyway, I got on the old calculator and I worked out today's price of silver. That 720 kilo dragon is worth about 830,000 Australian dollars, which is huge. Anyway, bit of useless trivia. What do you reckon, mate? Yeah, I reckon that too. Now in this other section of the building is the gallery where you can buy all the silver. And there's just thousands and thousands of different items, silver and gold you can buy, from any type of gemstone, diamonds to opals to everything. It's well worth a look. And upstairs is where all the gold is, downstairs is where all the silver is. And yeah, there's some fair prices on some are a bit more expensive, but it's definitely worth a look in the other section of the gallery. So there's a restaurant out the back here where you can sit and have breakfast or lunch. And it's not open today, but there is a section where all the workers from Monday to Friday can go in and actually watch them making the jewellery. Little restaurant over here. It's a really beautiful area. The whole building's just amazing. Okay, so that's it for the UC Silver tour in Batubulan Bali. It was really good. The dragon is awesome. 720 kilo dragon, like my god. $800,000 dragon. But the jewellery and all that, it's a little bit overpriced. I looked up the price of silver, it's like $23 US an ounce, and in here you're getting a 5 gram ring for, you know, $100, $120 or something. So it's a little bit overpriced, but the detail is really good on all the jewellery, and yeah, it's well worth a look. UC Silver in Batubulan Bali.